wipes up his grenades this way. Is he doing that with the unit?
Is it supposed to smell like skunk up here?
Not me. Alright, we about to go downstairs. Just give me 1 second for moisturizer. Time for war. Make it happen. My boy, he's got all the information I got. And he wants to blow wide open. Obviously, since he was mean to him tonight. So I can just sit back and just watch the show. We need food. Where is everybody?
What's going on?
What up?
We're trying to make burgers. It's not successful.
Where's the soup?
It's in the bed.
Snooki knows what's going on. So she eliminates Gianni from the equation. And you want to know how? Snooks. Uh-oh. She hid the whole night. Manager.
Polly and Rad are like flirting. You could tell something about it, you know, because Dina always wanted to get it on with Polly.
What's up, my ninja? If you guys gonna make out, that'd be awesome. Yeah?
Well,
You?
Oh man, like Ryder's really riding around town in this house. Like seriously, Vinny, Unit, now Polly.
I saw you were sleeping tonight, right?
are we gonna cuddle?
Yeah?
Hey. What are you gonna do? Hey.
What do we do?
I don't know.
How?
What's up?
Polly. You know that happened.
Well?
Well,
Ryder's looking pretty good tonight, but she's already had sex with Vinny. And I'm not really cool with Vinny's sloppy seconds, so I don't know what to do with her.
wait, can we have fun?
What you trying to do?
I don't know.
But I don't want to be rude, so whether you're the first minute or the last minute, Ryder.
Let's do something crazy.
Nicole has got it better than John right now. She knows John's got it. What's up, Snooki?
He tried to break me and Gianni up.